I welcome everyone for the MRCM September 2026 course. In this video, we'll be seeing how to navigate through the website, how to utilize the materials what has been given to you. First thing what you need to do is open the browser. Either you can open an Safari if you're using an Mac device, that is the Apple device, or if you're using non-Apple device, like you are using an Android phone or you are using an Microsoft. In that, I recommend you to open the Chrome browser. Make sure these browsers, when you open it, they are updated. Okay, you're using the latest version. The older versions will not support the website. So you need to make sure it's the latest version what you're using it. Then in the address bar, so this is the address bar what you are having. In the address bar, type the website name, which is draamcem Then just press enter. When you type the website, our official website, it goes to the home page. In the home page, you can see here, there is my account. Click to the my account. Once you click to the my account, use the email address and the passport. The password and the email address you have created while purchasing. During purchasing itself, you would have created this. Otherwise, it will not allow you to purchase. So use the same email address as typed here. This is my email address, and I have already typed the password. If you're using the same device, I recommend you can just click here, remember me, and then log in. So you need not type again and again as it's shown here. Then just press login. Once you press login, it will go into the course page and it will show the courses what you have purchased. So this is the my account. Inside that, your courses. Here plenty of courses has been shown because I am the admin. So I am the tutor here. So there are plenty of courses which are available for me. As you have purchased MRCM SBA September 2026, they will be displaying only this one. So just click this one. Okay, just keep it above it cursor and just click once. Once you click MRCM SBA September 2026, it will show the course contents. These are all the course contents what you are having. First thing what I want you to do is click this join Telegram discussion group. Once you click the join Telegram discussion group, it takes you to this page. Before clicking the group link, what I want you to do is make sure the device what you're using has the Telegram app, the messaging Telegram app. You're logged into the Telegram app. Make sure you're using the same number what you used during your registration. That is during what you entered in your billing address, you're using the same number. Do not use any other number. It is highly not allowed or highly not recommended that you use some other number. We cannot verify that that is your number, will not allow you to access the content. It might result in even blocking of your subscription. That's why we recommend you to use the same number what you used in the billing address. Make sure you're downloaded the Telegram app. You're logged into the Telegram app using the same number what you used in the billing address. Then you click this group link. Once you click this group link, it will redirect you to the Telegram app and send a request to us to accept into the discussion group. This discussion group is to discuss among the other colleagues what you will be having, the other members of the course. So this is will be helpful if some new updates comes up or some corrections I want to convey you to you guys. That will be dealt in the discussion group. So it is important that you join the discussion group. So once you click the group link and once you have sent the link, I want you to message to this number, what I have highlighted here, message to this number, your register name and Telegram phone number. That is the same phone number what you are used in the billing address. Do not use different number. Then live classes. Just click the live classes here. Once you click the live classes, this page will open up. Below this live class button, there will be a schedule which will be put up of the live classes. This schedule will be available on the previous month itself by 25th of the previous month. And it will be giving the schedule of the entire month. So you will know when are the classes. So you can arrange your duties accordingly and attend the live classes. Is it important to attend the live classes? Absolutely, yes, it is important to attend the live classes. If you have any doubts are classified in the live classes. It is easy for me to clarify any doubts what you are having. It is very difficult for me to understand when you message what doubt you are having. That's why we have stopped clarifying doubts on the messages because it creates more confusion. So once you are in the live class, at the end of the live class, if you have any doubts, you can directly ask me and clarify your doubts. That's the importance of attending the live class. Live class helps you to grasp the content much better than going through the recorded videos. So it is very important that you attend the live classes. At the same point of time, it may not be feasible for few of you to attend the live classes. For example, you might be having scheduled duty at that point of time. Do not worry. After 24 hours or within 24 hours of the live class, usually we upload this and it will be available on the website. To attend the live class, what do you need to do? To attend the live class, you have to just click this live class button. Before clicking this live class button, it is important that you have downloaded the Zoom app, you're logged into the Zoom app, and your display name, the name what is displayed is same as the billing address name. You shouldn't be displaying a different name at all. You're not allowed to log in through any other accounts. You have to use your official name, what has been used in the billing address, and make sure in the billing address you use the official name. This live class button will be functional only 5 minutes before the class. Before that, if you click, it will not redirect you to the Zoom. It will redirect you to Zoom only 5 minutes before the class. So this button will be functional only 5 minutes before the class. Next thing is, I told you the recorded video will be available within 24 hours of the live class. Where it will be available? Yeah, it will be available here in the subsections what you're seeing. It is divided into chapter wise. For example, here you can see pain and sedation anesthesia class. So click on this pain and sedation anesthesia. Do not click on the quizzes. It directly takes you to the quizzes. So do not click here. Click on the pain and sedation anesthesia class. If you click it on that, it goes to this page. Here you can see the video is available. Then you can just play it. If you want, you can do in full screen. You press escape. It will pop. You can call it as pain incident. So in that manner, you can go through it and navigate through it. Next thing what we'll be seeing is what's this quizzes. Quizzes are subdivided into revision and test mode. You can see here revision and test mode. The questions in the revision and the test mode are one and the same, but the interface is different. For example, in revision, we'll go through the revision. I'll explain in the revision how it works. So once you're in the revision, start quiz. Once you're started, you can select, for example, you read this question, you select an option and you press the check button here. Once you press the check button, it will show you what you selected is right or wrong. It is wrong here. It is given the explanation. What is supposed to be right is marked here. This is the correct answer. And the explanation for the correct answer is been given here. Then you go to the next one. If you want, you can skip and go directly for 38 question. I want to directly go for an 58 question. I can go directly 58 question. So in that manner, you're doing it. So this is not timed. Immediately you'll come to know the what's the correct answer and what the basic explanation is. So it is in revision mode. You're doing at your own sweet time. What about in test mode? Let us see the test mode here. What about this test mode? Let me click the test one here. In test one, again, start quiz. Here you can see there is a timer. Okay, there is a timer. You're supposed to finish all these 26 questions in 34 minutes and some 32 seconds or 31 seconds, which is here. So this is time based and you cannot immediately see the answer. So I click here, then I go to the next one. Okay, I cannot immediately see the answer. I can jump from one question to the another question. This is the 19th question, what I'm having it. I can mark it. Then I can go for another question. Or I can go directly next and mark it, go next and mark it, go next in that manner. Once you have finished answering everything, click quiz summary. Once you click this summary, it will ask you finish quiz because the time is still pending. Do you want to really finish this quiz? Yes, I want to finish the quiz. Once you finish the quiz, it will show your marking. So what is your score? I have scored 0 because I didn't get any right answers. What is the average score here? Average student scores around 82%. That's what it shows. Then in view questions, if you click this view questions, it will show how many questions you got it right and wrong. I have got all the questions wrong here. I want to review and see why my question number 4 is wrong. If I just click question number 4, it will take you. Or I want to go one by one. After 4, I want to go to 5. After 5, I want to go for the 6th one, 7th one. I can just scroll. No, I want to go up. Up means here is the button. Directly go up and you can jump for the another question if you want. For example, 14th one. Just click it. It goes to the 14th question. In that way, utilize this. Okay, utilize the questions. What are they? These are important questions, and this accounts for more than 1,000 questions if you combine everything. Easily more than 1,100 questions what you're having. At the end, that means approximately before a month of your exam, here we will be available a mock exam. A mock exam will be available. This will have completely new questions, and these new questions will help you to test yourself where you stand, how's your preparation, what improvements needs to be done. We do provide extra questions, but we provide extra questions at the end of the course because we want you to concentrate what is most important. All these are the most important things. At the end, I would like to stress on the piracy. Taking screenshots, screen recording from another device or from the same device or for any purpose you're doing it, even for showing me or for your own, you're not sharing with anyone, that is not allowed. It will be counted as an piracy and your account will be immediately terminated and you will be banned from Dr. A MRCM courses permanently. There will be no leniency shown, and we are very strict regarding our rules and regulations, the terms and conditions, what has been displayed in our website and also in our discussion group. Kindly strictly follow it, do not deviate it. We do not give any leniencies and we strictly follow our rules and regulations and terms and conditions. I wish you all the best for your preparations and for your upcoming exam.